Hi guys, this is Pavan and today we will be reviewing the inside out of this particular headset and we will see whether it is really worth the money that you spend. Talking about the build and design quality, it is available in two variants, party yellow and disco green. The RealMe Buds Wireless Pro are anything but dull. The new model still comes with flexible rubber neckband with metal and plastic modules at the end. The weight-in modules at the end of the neckband feel pretty smooth to touch and have an appealing streamlined design. The right one houses all the physical control buttons, the multifunction button, volume buttons, and the noise cancellation button. The rear housings of each bud come equipped with magnets that attach to each other when they're lying idly on the chest. The magnetic clamp also serves the power on and off switch for the earphones, which turns on the buds whenever detached and turns them off whenever magnetically attached to each other. Since there is no physical switch on switch off button, in my personal opinion, this is something which I've disliked in this headset because what happens if you put this in your bag and it detaches and it automatically switches on, right? This is something which you don't want to do it. So you need to have a physical control, which this headset lacks. Overall, the RealMe Buds Wireless Pro has a robust build with an aesthetically pleasing design and the language of appeal in the younger crowd. Despite being built primarily out of plastic, the material has a premium feel to it, which is really appreciable. Owing to the lightweight nature of the earphones, the buds are naturally pretty comfortable and bear even more extended hours of usage. As far as fit and comfort is concerned, these headsets are very comfortable to wear. I've been using multiple earphones in the past and I've not come across any earphone which has been so comfortable to wear for hours together. I've gone ahead and completed my web series for that matter, wearing them for 8 hours at a stretch, and I did not find any discomfort into my ears. I think this is one remarkable thing that the buds have gone ahead and delivered it. And hey, let me take a pause here. Just in case if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing it. Well, that only gives me the motivation to go ahead and make many such videos just for you guys. The RealMe Buds Pro Wireless offers many features. Many of these are associated with high-end earphones. And definitely the headlining feature is of course the active noise cancellation. Powered by RealMe's customized S1 noise cancellation chip, the company claims that the buds are capable of noise reduction of about 35 decibel. The earphone uses one feedback and one feed-forward microphone to provide the noise cancellation. The earphone also comes with the environmental noise cancellation feature, which gets only activated once you're on a phone call. This makes sure that the ambient sounds, the unwanted sounds, are not really captured while you're speaking to the person or the Sorry. These buds are also manufactured keeping gaming in mind. Definitely the low latency feature of about just 119 millisecond is something which is a great device and a great companion for gamers to use the headphone wirelessly. So the feedback, I would say there is almost no delay in what you see and what you hear while playing games. This one has got 13.6mm driver. Well, what that means is it has got a bigger speaker, and bigger speaker means it has capacity to produce higher bass, and that is what exactly this headset does. The battery life of this earphone, company claims to have it about 22 hours of backup, but that's not actually getting delivered. And with the active noise cancellation on, I've been getting a battery backup of about 10 to 12 hours. And without active noise cancellation, it goes up till about 13 to 14 hours, which is still very decent. The bottom line is every day, whenever you go to bed, just hook on this to the charger and that's it. Well, the company also claims that if you charge this just for 5 minutes, it will give you a backup of 100 minutes. That is one thing that I've not tested it. Well, here's the bottom line. 2,999 INR is the amount that I've paid for these earphones. I cannot buy anything better than these at this price point. I strongly recommend all of you, if you're intending to buy a good pair of earphones, just go for it. There's no brainer. The link is mentioned below and you can use this link to go ahead and make your purchase. Well, all I can wish at this point in time is happy music to all of you, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, see ya.